Hello friends, let's balance the redox equation for the reaction between zinc and nitrate to form zinc ion and nitric oxide. This reaction takes place in acid medium. Let's balance this equation by the oxidation number method. First, we need to assign the oxidation number for zinc and nitrogen on both the sides of the equation. Here zinc, the oxidation number is 0 because it is in the free state. The oxidation number of nitrogen in nitrate ion is, what's that, 3 times 2 minus 6. So this will be 6 minus 1 minus 5 oxygen. So this will become plus 5. Nitrogen, it is plus 5. Nitrogen, it is plus 5. Zinc ion, its oxidation number is plus 2. Its oxidation number is plus 2. It is plus 2. Nitrogen and nitric oxide, the oxidation number will be, what is that? Plus 2. Because oxygen it is minus 2, therefore nitrogen it will be plus 2. So here, two changes we can notice that. One is the conversion of zinc becomes zinc ion. Zinc atom becomes zinc ion. Here we can see that the oxidation number of zinc changes from 0 to plus 2. So here what change takes place? There is an increase in oxidation number. Oxidation number has increased. So the increase in oxidation number, how much it increases? Plus 2. This increase in oxidation number, this half reaction, it will be oxidation half reaction. The another half reaction, that is the nitrogen, the oxidation number of nitrogen, it changes from plus 5 to plus 2. Plus 5 to plus 2. So here what takes place? There is a decrease in oxidation number. Decrease in oxidation number. How much it decreases? Plus 3 it decreases. So decrease in oxidation number, we consider this half reaction as reduction half reaction. Reduction half reaction. Now using the increase in oxidation number and decrease in oxidation number, we need to multiply the species on the right hand side of that equation. So using this 2, we need to multiply the nitrogen species on the right hand side. So this nitric oxide we need to multiply by 2 times. The nitric oxide needs to be multiplied by 2 times. Then using this plus 3, this 3, we need to multiply the zinc species on the right hand side. So zinc species need to be multiplied by 3 times on the right hand side. Now we can balance the left hand side, that is zinc on the right hand side, zinc on the right hand side 3 times, but the left hand side only 1 time. So this zinc we need to multiply by 3 times. This zinc on the left hand side we need to multiply by 3 times. Similarly, the nitrogen on the left hand side, here only 1 time, but the right hand side 2 times. Therefore this nitrate we need to multiply by 2 times. We need to multiply by 2 times. Now we can check the charges, that we can do it at the next page. So the same equation what we have got previous step, that only is written. this equation only is reproduced once again here. Now we can check the charges on both the sides of the equation. Zinc, it's a neutral substance, so it is in the free state, therefore there is no charge, zero. This nitrate ion only has a charge, that is one negative charge. It has it has a coefficient as 2, so 2 times minus 1, it becomes minus 2. So the left hand side, the total charge will be minus 2. The left hand side, the total charge is minus 2. The right hand side, this nitric oxide is a neutral compound, there's no charge. This zinc ion only has a charge, 2 positive charge, and it has 3 coefficient. So 3 times 2 plus, it becomes 6 plus. So the right hand side, the charge is plus 6. The charge is plus 6 on the right hand side. But the charges must be equal on both the sides of the equation. So in order to make the charges equal, what adjustment we need to do? On the left hand side, the right hand side it is plus 6, but the left hand side minus 2. So the left hand side we need to add, how much we can add? Yes, it is plus 8 we need to add. If you are adding plus 8, then only the charges will be equal on both the sides. So plus 8 is added on the left hand side. Now this equation, this reaction takes place in the acid medium. If the reaction takes place in the acid medium, in order to make the charges equal, in order to balance the charges, we need to make use of the hydrogen ions on the appropriate side. So hydrogen ion, where we can add on the left hand side, because the left hand side only we need to add plus 8. So we can add on the left hand side 8H plus ion. That we can add here on the left hand side 8H plus ion plus 8H plus ion. 8 H plus ions are added on the left hand side. Now when we check that, what is that? Oxygen on the left hand side, 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6 on the left hand side. But the right hand side, how many oxygen atoms are there? Only 2 oxygen atoms. Left hand side 2 3 6 oxygen atoms, but the right hand side 2. So in order to balance the oxygen atoms, we need to add water molecule. So how many water molecule we need to add on the right hand side? 4 molecules of water. So that we can add on the right hand side plus 4 molecules of water. Now when we check the atoms on the left hand side as well as the right hand side, all the atoms are equal and the charge is also equal on both the sides of the equation. So now the equation is balanced. So the balanced chemical equation for this reaction is 3 moles of zinc plus 2 moles of nitrate plus 8 moles of hydrogen ion as react together, and as a result 3 moles of zinc ion, 2 moles of nitric oxide and 4 moles of water are obtained as a product. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing.